Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a reliable backup of everything that could change. You copy the entire beta folder and then export saves, resource packs, and mods to separate ZIPs so you can revert quickly. Once done, write down the precise beta version and any error text you saw, because that guides fixes. Make sure to close Minecraft completely and disable overlays. This prevents file locks and avoids confusion when you replace files or apply patches. Now you focus on replacing likely corrupted components. You verify checksums for the core JAR or EXE and overwrite mismatched files with clean copies from the same beta build. This removes stealth corruption. Once done, temporarily move all mods out of the mods folder and try a vanilla launch to isolate causes. If vanilla runs, add resource packs and mods back one at a time. Adjusting Java arguments like XMX and XMF. Finish by creating a fresh launcher profile pointed at the repaired beta folder. Then launch and watch the game logs for remaining errors. Logs tell you what to fix next. If crashes persist, restore your backup and document the exact error lines before trying further changes so you don't compound problems. Most importantly, if nothing else works, clear the launcher cache and perform a clean reinstall of the beta client. This often resolves launcher-side corruption that file swaps alone cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.